Ever wondered how to quickly grab a high-quality still image from a video you're watching in VLC Media Player? Maybe you spotted a perfect moment you want to save, or you need a snapshot to use for a thumbnail or to share with a friend. In this tutorial, I'll show you the absolute fastest way to take a snapshot in VLC using simple keyboard shortcuts. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture any frame instantly, whether you're on Windows, Linux, or Mac. Let's dive right in. The easiest way, hands down, is through keyboard shortcuts. You don't have to hunt through menus or settings, just one quick command, and you've got your screenshot. This is great if you're catching something fleeting in a video, like a reaction shot, a funny moment, or an important diagram. Timing is everything, so being able to react quickly is huge. If you're using VLC on Windows or Linux, here's what to do. As you're watching your video and you reach the exact frame you want to capture, maybe it's a beautiful landscape, a clever bit of text on screen, or the perfect facial expression, simply hold down the Shift key, then press S. It's Shift plus S together, and that's it. A snapshot of the current video frame is instantly saved. On a Mac, the shortcut is a little different, but just as simple. When you're at the frame you want to save, press Command, Option, and S at the same time. So that's CMD plus Alt plus S. You'll know it worked because VLC will give you a notification, usually at the top right corner of the window, saying a snapshot was saved. It only takes a moment, there's no lag, so you won't miss your shot. Now, where do these snapshots go? By default, VLC saves them to your Pictures folder if you're on Windows, or Desktop if you're on Mac. If you want to double-check, open your File Explorer and look in those spots after pressing the shortcut. The saved file will have a naming structure like VLC Snap, followed by the date and time, so it's easy to find. And don't worry, if you accidentally take more than one snapshot, VLC will just keep saving them as separate files, so you won't overwrite anything. Sometimes, you might want to adjust the video's playback speed, pause at the perfect moment, or even step through frames one at a time. Pausing the video before you take your snapshot is totally okay and actually gives you time to get everything exactly right. Use the spacebar to pause, then use Shift plus S on Windows or CMD plus Alt plus S on Mac. You don't need to rush. And if you're wondering about image quality, VLC saves snapshots in full resolution. Whatever you see on the screen is exactly what you get, so it's useful for grabbing crisp, detailed images. So there you have it. Capturing a frame in VLC is quick, easy, and doesn't interrupt your viewing experience. Just remember your shortcut, and you'll be saving snapshots in seconds. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, or maybe you want to know about customizing snapshot formats or locations in VLC, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.